In this video, we're going to work with Twitter ads to create your Twitter conversion pixel that you can then use to remarket to audiences.
This video is brought to you by Pixelfy's Academy.
So I'm going to go to my profile, Twitter ads, and by the way, sometimes they change the layout. Sometimes on different screen sizes, different things are shown and restructured on the page. So sometimes the usability might change, but at the same time, essentially the usability pattern is going to remain the same. So you click on Twitter ads. And by the way, if this is blurry at any time, I do film this in HD. If it's blurry, it's likely an issue with either your video player settings or internet connection. So then I'm in my ads and I go to tools and I pull down conversion tracking. And then I say create a new one, and I'm going to give it a name. Then you choose type of conversion, like a website visit, purchase, download, maybe for an app, an email sign up, or a custom. Let's say in our case it's going to be a site visit. Leave this one as is, and then URL contains. And in the URL, I'm going to give it my Amazon URL of the Amazon product. And I'm just going to delete a few parameters and leave the keyword fundraising, and I'm going to save that conversion event, and it's going to give me this code. I'm going to save this code, copy. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to take it into the Pixelfy account. And then when you're creating your tracking code, instead of Facebook, obviously you choose Twitter. In this case, you paste that in here, and then you add the code, and you just add the code name. So the code name would be something like Twitter Pixel for the fundraising book. Then you click add code, and this code has been created. Now we're back on Twitter ads, and we say return to the conversion tracking, and you see it says unverified. And if we press the question mark, it will say that it hasn't seen any data for your website. Your tag will be verified the first time a person takes a conversion action to the web page where it's embedded. So what you do is you go and you use that link. So in Pixelfy, you create a new link under tracking links. You start to create a link. For simplicity, we're just going to select tracking link, and it's going to say test one. Then we're going to enter our fundraising book link, tracking code. See, we can choose this pixel now. We're going to choose that. And then we're going to hide the URL, and then it's going to be a part of that fundraising book campaign. And that's going to show as the pixel me. The URL is going to show as pixel me. That's fine for now. And then we're going to create a tracking link. This is our link. We're going to copy. We're going to go to this in the browser. I entered it into the browser. Obviously, it went to the page of my book, which is fine. Then I'm going to go back into Twitter. And when I refresh Twitter, it should say verified. It might take a little time. Now, this unverified code should come back as verified a little later. It might not happen immediately, but it will turn into verified. And once it's verified, whoever clicks on that link that you created in Pixelfy, the masked link, you're going to be, whenever they come to Twitter, you're going to be able to serve them ads and retarget them and remind them, hey, come back and buy the product.